long-term investments, so you can sleep while your money is in the working. So first thing, I'm a bullish in the market, and I'm cautious as well. Yes, and people are saying 99 bubble, and this car will stop. This is not a secret. This car, the momentum will stop, but they don't tell you when this momentum will stop. Yeah, this car will be stopped. Yeah, one day it will be stopped. What? When it will be stopped? How long it will go? When this gas will be, when this car will be out of gas, and by then how far this distance can cover. So many people listening, important. We lost more money in the waiting of correction than actual correction. Today I'm going to discuss with you one more time. People lost money more in the waiting in correction, waiting for the corrections than actual corrections. Like for example, market will fall, I will buy, right? You keep waiting from the last 2 months, 3 months, market keep going higher and higher and higher. Even if there's tomorrow 5% market crash, you will have no dare to buy. You say no, let me come more, little more down. Let it come more down, and then market will go up. When how much you buy when market was crashing in April? You know the answer. So the today I'm going to discuss with you one stock, Rocket Lab. So look at the demand. Do you think there's a demand to go in the space? Do we need to send satellite in the space? This demand will be growing in future. If you think, because now we need more powers, essentials, equity, and infrastructures in the space. ASTS, one stock, keep going up 47 to $91. We all discussed in the video last time. I gave you swing trade, and I hope you make money. Rocket Lab, RKLB. This is a stock I'm going to discuss with you. And before I go there, I also show you a Lyft stock. Lyft. People keep telling you buy Lyft, when it was $23, right? We go to Rocket Lab later, but first Lyft, because it's another stock here. But now no one talking to you. You will open YouTube video, open CNBC, no one talk about a Lyft. This is the time to talk to Lyft. Why? Price is hitting our channel. This is the time to buy. And if you remember, we have a Lyft swing trade strategy over here, right there. A reversal entry $20, and deep entry 1830, 1850, 1650, and these are the targets. Honestly, give me answer. When we give you this swing trade strategy on, what date is this one? Swing trade strategy for Lyft on 21st of September. Do you believe Lyft can come to touch $18, $19? You think it keep going up and up? The same thing, car will stop, yeah, but how far this car will go? If you will not get in a ride of the car because car will stop, and I'm not want to get in the car, then, but you don't know how far it can go. This market, how far it can go, you have no idea. So this is Lyft, time to buy, in my opinions. Uber, time to buy, in my humble opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm buying. I feel it has a potential, and after 1 month, I will show you my swing trade in a YouTube video. After 1 month or 2 months, hey, this is my trade. I bought Lyft at this price. I bought Uber this price. Now I'm getting a profit, right? Similarly, I can show you many stocks, APLD in front of me. I bought APLD when it was $18, when it's $20, when it was $16, and I bought when it's $30. Accumulation. I'm buying 30. If somebody asks me, can I buy now? I will say no. Then you ask me the same question, why did you buy then $30? Because I bought $30 because I have my risk management. I'm also, because these are my profit stock trade, this is my chance. I'm buying at the breakout. If you see our APLD swing trade strategy, I told you 2980 is a breakout. If the candle close above 2980, I can buy. But there is a risk it can come back, retest. And then you told me to buy, and then it's coming back. So I can afford this risk, because if you also have risk management control, that's fine. But I have these strong calls, profit in these calls. I can have another chance on this stock. So this is what I'm telling you about APLD. Building up trust in the market. Even if the market crash, I will not hit the top. Maybe I can get off 25 or 24. Still I'm in a profit, but I keep going with the market. I give you one story in the end. Maybe today I want to just help you to boost your confidence. So there was a story, true story, I heard from another trader. And before we go to the Rocket Lab, I'll also discuss very quickly. And so this story, I don't forget the Rocket Lab. So 3 women in 20th centuries, the last century, they start depositing their cash, their investment in stock market. One lady only bought the stocks or ETF or S&P 500, whatever you call, only invest money in the market when market crash. After 2-3 years, she saved the money, and when there is a correction, it's not a crash, it's a correction. When the correction, she buy heavy. And if you know the history, every 2 to 3 years or 4 years, there's big correction coming, 20%, 30%, COVID, then April. So she bought. And then another lady, she always buy when the market in the high, stable, high, like in this condition, like right now, is high-ish and stable. And then third lady, she don't care when the market crash, correction, or a high. She keep buying every day. $5, $10, $20. Vary. You can buy stock vary in $5. You can buy many stocks $1, $3, $5. APLD was $2. So yeah, APLD was $2. Let me see how far is the APLD was. Yeah, $10 in 2025, and yeah, 1 year ago, $8. So, and then after 30 to 40 year investment, they count their money in the market, retirements. So the lady who always buy at the dip, she make around $40,000. And the lady who bought all the time in the high or mid level market, she make around $35,000 or between 30 to 35, not exact number. And the lady who invests every day in the market, she made $50,000 without any indicators, without any Fibonacci, Bollinger Band, or without me. I'm the one talking on the YouTube. So this is positive things. Think in your mind. If you buy anytime APLD, like a little by little, or S&P 500, let me show you. If you buy just index, keep buying. You can pick up any stock, any ETF, and open the weekly chart or whatever. So you see anytime. Do you see in general, you think this is coming downward? Yeah, for the time period, yes. But in a regular normal trend of the market is upward or downward. It never become any zero since the market start. I don't know. I have no such a long history, but since the market start, do you see it ever become zero? It start here at 20. It never come 20 again. The lowest was 49, 58. We never see 58. This is the lowest one, is like a keep going, keep going. So what are you waiting for, my friend? But if you have a mentorship or some better understanding and better knowledge, you can do way better. So this is about just a little some small confidence story. Now we go back to Rocket Lab, and Rocket Lab, I give you a trade for Rocket Lab. If you will here at RKLB, I think, yes, I gave you this swing trade on 24th. Price was buy to 49.47. Breakout entry 55.57. And now we have RKLB after 2 weeks. We'll see 66. Here we go, my dear friends. This is your show, Trade with Harp from San Francisco, the best city in the world. And this is Rocket Lab. And now I'm long-term bullish here. If you will go my strategy, you're going to ask me again. The price zone and these breakout level, and these are targets. And now these are targets is my buy zone. I can buy. I see a support 61, 63, and the strong support is buy heavy if the price come back to 57, because there's a previous breakout zone, and most likely it come back to retest. Mostly it come back to retest 57 as Lyft is coming back now. So I'm buying Lyft, I'm buying Uber, I'm buying very small stock, and I also mentioned here some my trades. Sorry about that. Let me see, open this one, not this one. This is another trader, Jana. She was a Leap and she's doing dividends. This is our crown trader. She's gonna follow. Very good investments. And this is my trade. So today I bought APLD at 29.50, Uber 97, January call, and Bitfarm $4, and Very $5, and I bought UROY at $4.20, January call. And so we are not financial advisors. I am doing with my money. I'm risking my money on the basis of knowledge. And if I'm wrong, it means I interpret the knowledge chart wrong, but the chart is always correct. So thank you very much for watching. Take care. God bless you. I hope you will get success in trading.